morning, everyone. It is 8:30 on Wednesday, July the 1st, and it's morning briefing time. No changes to the National Terrorism Advisory System overnight. Snapshot of the region this morning. Updated numbers from the unaccompanied children. 3 disaster declarations that we have here in the region. Updated numbers from the ongoing damage assessments in Texas for IA, and Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Texas for PA. And no fire management grant requests to talk about this morning. As we switch over to the Geo platform this morning, things are quiet around the region. We got some rain up in Arkansas. Orlando's going to give us a weather update here in just a moment. First of all, no changes to the status of our state EOCs. All are at level 4, as is the region and the National Watch and NRCC. No changes to the status of our IMAPs. Shelters this morning. Texas has 1 shelter left in Liberty County, with 1 shelter being open and 0 occupants. Quick look at power outages this morning. Arkansas is 161, Louisiana 625, New Mexico 711, and those are in Valencia County. Oklahoma 85, and Texas is down from to 3,020, and those are in Victoria County. Now over to Orlando to talk about the weather.
Good morning, Paul, and good morning, Region 6. As you said earlier, the region is pretty much quiet weather-wise, except the northeast portion of Arkansas, where there is a cluster of scattered showers and thunderstorms pushing to the southeast. This cluster is going to continue to push to the east slowly throughout the morning hours and afternoon. But then in the afternoon, I believe that the things are going to quiet down over that area. But there is a chance for isolated heavy showers across northern part of New Mexico, as another disturbance across that area will enhance the development of showers and storms. For today, the high risk for strong to severe weather is over the northern portion of Arkansas, like we just saw on the image from the radar. And then, as I mentioned also too as well, the northern portion of New Mexico, there is a chance for heavy rain, which could lead to flat flooding. For Thursday, same situation. There is a front across the northern portion of Region 6, which is going to pretty much stall over that area, and another round of strong to severe weather for Thursday across the northern portion of Texas, Oklahoma, and northeast of Arkansas. Moving on with the rivers, it looks like good news. The river can continue to go down. Looks like the Red River Shreveport crested overnight, and it will continue to slowly fall for the rest of the week. Points downstream northwest of Louisiana will continue to slowly rise this week, but nothing major there. And another point that I would like to point out is the Trinity River, which remain in minor to moderate flood state, including the Liberty and Long Lake Point. Those are going to continue to slowly slow fall within the next 5 to 7 days. Moving on to the Atlantic, pretty quiet. High pressure continued to dominate, and strong winds aloft will limit the activity on the Atlantic basin and also the Gulf of Mexico. And looking at day one, as like I mentioned earlier, a few severe storm possible this morning and early this afternoon across the northern portion of Arkansas. For day two, which is Thursday into Friday, there is also a slight risk of strong to severe storm northern portion of Texas, Oklahoma, and northern portion of Arkansas. For the weekend, it looks that showers and storms will continue as the front stalls just north of Region 6. And looking at the 5-day precipitation map on the right lower corner there, the highest amount that the prediction center is looking at is anything between 2 and 5 inches of rain as a total for the next 5 days, with the Arkansas being one of those points on the northeast portion of that with possible 2 to 4 inches. Drought monitor, it will be released early this morning. I just looked at it and it hasn't been updated, at least when I looked about 5 minutes ago. Hopefully that will come back even better with the drought not being a problem for our area, since all this rain we've been having the last 2 months. And space weather, pretty quiet there.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Any question for the weather service? Go ahead and type those in the chat window if you're on the phone asking questions. In the meantime, we take a look at the events going on around the region this week and looking forward to what's happening next week. And time to get smart. Do you know the genesis of tropical cyclones for this time of year? And there, for the next 10 days, is where storms have developed from the time 1851 to 2009. Any questions this morning? Hearing nothing on the phone and seeing no one else typing in. Aha! Thank you, Mr. McNeish. And the great cone of silence. Everyone have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.